Shadow I did roam, haunted by a beast that called me home. Through the woods it chased me fast and wild, black wolf's eyes gleamed cunning and defiled. Every corner turns in just the same, can't escape the echo of its name. Heart beating loud in a desperate race, feeling hot breath right upon my face. Run, run, can't hide from nightmares made, smelling teeth like knives they cut and flayed. In my dreams it's said with wicked ease, catch your child, now it's time to sneeze. I would run but feet felt stuck in mud, night painted crimson, dreams in blood. Wake up trembling, drenched in icy sweat, mark the black wolf's eyes I can't forget. Howling moonlight trap me in its glow, feel like fire die 1,000 times slow. Face to face with doom, quick draw my breath, sharp teeth whisper tales of bitter death. Run, run, can't hide from nightmares made, snarling teeth like knives they cut and flayed. In my dreams it's said with wicked ease, catch your child, now it's time to sneeze. I would run but feet felt stuck in mud, night painted crimson, dreams in blood. With blood and flame, wake up trembling.